walk straight into the road without looking. Right, I'm indicating left here, but are they going to look? No, obviously not. Walking in the road. Jumping the lights, unregistered motor vehicle. And a couple of idiots who don't understand how a crossing works. Another one jumping the lights. Hope you get hit by a bus, you piece of shit. No, not even bothering to look. Smartphone zombie. No, doesn't even look. No, just gonna walk straight out in front of me. They should bring back the green cross code. No, doesn't look before crossing. Earbuds in, not listening. Oblivious to her surroundings. Right, I'm indicating right, yeah? But of course, just gonna walk into the road without looking. More interested in her ice cream than in her safety. Oh, come on! If you're going to cross against the lights, at least look where you're going first. Another one just staggers into the road without bothering to look. Look at these idiots. Just wait for the lights. Very bothers to look. Yeah, actually looks at me and then carries on looking at her phone and walking out in front of me. No wonder these people manage to survive at all sometimes. Not even looking. Bloody idiot. Straight into the road without looking. I don't know why I even bother indicating. Bloody hell. Look at that idiot. Oh, and a couple more idiots. The usual, halfway across the road before bothering to look. Oh. Perfectly good pavements, but they'd rather walk in the road. Zombie alert! Personally, I prefer to look before I cross the road rather than when I'm halfway across. You really should look before you walk into the road, you daft cow. Straight into the road without looking. Fucking retard.